So let's talk about comparing strings in Python. First, what do you think will be the output of this line of code here? Write in the comments below. Let me now run the code and you are going to see the output. The output is false. But how does it work? How does the comparison between strings work? First, let me show you a simpler example. Here we are comparing a single letter, the letter A, the first letter of the alphabet, okay? And let me run the code and you are going to see the output. The output is also false. We are comparing if the uppercase A is greater than the lowercase a, and as you can see, the result is false. But why does it happen? Let me show you something. If you search on Google ASCII table Python, there are a lot of websites which contain this table here. And basically, this table here shows the ASCII value of each symbol in Python. If you scroll down, you will see the value of letters. Here we have, and as you can see, it starts with the uppercase A, which has the value of 65. If you scroll down, you will see that the values are increasing. It's an ascending order from A to Z, okay? Here we have the uppercase Z. And here, even below, we have the lowercase letters. So, as you can see, the value of the lowercase letters is greater than the value of the uppercase letters. For example, the value of the uppercase A is 65 and the value of the lowercase a is 97. Let's come back to VS Code and I will use a function here that basically returns the ASCII value of a character. It's the OR function. And then I will first use the uppercase A and I will print the ASCII value. So let's run the code and now we are printing the value of the uppercase A, which is 65. Now let's do the same thing for the lowercase a. 97. So as you can see, the lowercase a has a value greater than the uppercase a, and that's the reason why this expression here is false. If we use the smaller than operator, now it will return true. Here we have the output, okay? Because the uppercase a is smaller than the lowercase a. But how does it work with strings? Here we have the snippet of code that I showed in the beginning of the video, and we are comparing YouTube with an uppercase y with YouTube with lowercase y, okay? So let me run again the code, and you will see that this expression returns false. That's because the uppercase y is smaller than the lowercase y. Now we have another example here. We are basically comparing great with an uppercase T with great all letters lowercase, and the result here will be true, yeah, because this word is smaller than this word here. And basically with strings, the compiler compares letter by letter. So it first starts comparing the G here with the G here. And because they are equal, it goes to the next letter, which is R. And then it compares this R with this R. They are also equal, it goes to the next letter. And here the same thing happens, it goes to the next letter. The same thing happens here, it goes to the next letter. And when it finds the first letter which is not equal in both words, it compares if the letter here is smaller than this letter here. And that's how it works with strings. If both strings are equal, this expression will return false, okay? If we change this expression using the equal symbol here, it will returns true. And that's basically how it works. It compares letter by letter, and when it finds the first letter that is not equal in both strings, it returns the output. If the string is greater or smaller or equal, okay? And it runs from left to right, so it starts in G and ends in T here. And that's how the comparison between strings works in Python. Thanks for watching this video. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.